I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play time.
What if I told you that two of the most polarizing figures on the planet just had a moment together and the internet absolutely lost its mind? Stay with me, because this story is bigger than it looks, and trust me, you do not want to scroll past this one. Welcome back, everyone. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now, because we bring you the stories the mainstream media buries under the noise. Today, we're diving deep into a cultural earthquake that has Twitter now called X shaking to its very core. Nicki Minaj, Elon Musk, free speech, and a birthday celebration that nobody saw coming. Let's get into it. So what exactly happened? In a move that stunned fans, critics, and cultural commentators alike, rap superstar and global icon Nicki Minaj publicly celebrated Elon Musk's birthday and did not stop there. She went further, taking the opportunity to personally thank the billionaire tech mogul for what she described as saving free speech. Now, let's pause right there because that is a statement loaded with meaning. Why does that matter so much? Think about it. Nicki Minaj has one of the most powerful voices in the entertainment industry. She has hundreds of millions of followers across platforms. When she speaks, the world listens. So when a woman of her cultural weight publicly aligns herself with Elon Musk's vision for free expression on social media, that is not just a celebrity shout-out. That is a cultural signal. But here's the question every serious observer needs to ask. Has Elon Musk actually delivered on his promise of free speech, or is this a perception carefully crafted for public consumption? When Musk took over Twitter and rebranded it as X, he declared it the digital town square, a place where all voices, regardless of political leaning, background, or popularity, could speak freely without fear of suppression. And for many users, artists, creators, ordinary people who felt silenced, that promise meant everything. Nicki Minaj herself has previously been vocal about feeling targeted, censored, and unfairly treated by media institutions and social platforms alike. So for her, this isn't just politics. This is personal. And that raises the next big question. What does it mean when entertainers step into the arena of free speech advocacy, and should we be paying attention? Absolutely, yes. Here's why. We live in an age where algorithms decide what you see, what trends, and what gets buried. The power to control information is arguably the most valuable power on earth right now. When someone like Nicki Minaj, a black woman, a global superstar, a mother, stands up and says, "Thank you for giving us our voices back," that moment deserves to be analyzed, discussed, and understood. It challenges us to ask ourselves, are we truly free to speak online today? And if so, who made that possible, and at what cost? Here's what we know for certain. This birthday tribute was not random. It was not accidental. Nicki Minaj is a calculated, intelligent, fiercely independent artist who has navigated one of the most brutal industries in the world for over 15 years. When she makes a public move, it means something. Whether you agree with Elon Musk's politics or not, whether you stand Nicki or not, what this moment forces us to confront is a truth we often avoid. Free speech is not just a legal right. It is a human need. And when people feel that need has been protected, they are grateful. Loudly, publicly, unapologetically. So, what do you think? Was Nicki right to thank